So this is a really tough question and a really tough answer. So I'm going to shoot it to you straight. So this video is not going to be all about rainbows and unicorns, okay? One of the most difficult things for us to do is to sell a business with declining revenues and declining profits. When you take it out in the marketplace, no buyer would want to buy a declining business because there's too much risk. And from a financial perspective, no bank will finance a declining business because there's too much financial risk. All right? So the straight answer here is there's a certain time to sell a business, and there's a certain time where the business becomes unsellable. So when things are going well, when you have steady sales for 2 to 3 years or improving sales, it's a very counterintuitive thing, right? When things are going well, you kind of want to hold on to your business. But if you're close to retirement age and 2 to 3 years out and you've got 2, 3, 4 years of run on great sales and great revenue and great profit, you may want to consider selling your business. Because if you have a couple of years of downturn, now you're going to wait another 3 years. Okay, so those 2 years go in the rearview mirror, and now you got 3 years of steady sales and growing profits and growing sales, etc. So your business becomes marketable in the marketplace. You got a question? I'm always happy to hop on a call or go to my website www.rbasells.com. Look forward to connecting.